Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're taking a closer look at the reliable and budget-friendly Hero HF Deluxe, a motorcycle that's built for everyday commuting and trusted by millions. Design and build. The Hero HF Deluxe comes with a simple yet practical design. It features a sleek fuel tank, comfortable seat, and durable body panels that are made to handle daily use. Its lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver through city traffic. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the bike delivers smooth and consistent performance. It's not built for speed, but for efficiency and reliability. The engine is tuned to offer excellent mileage, making it ideal for daily riders. Mileage and efficiency. One of the biggest highlights of the Hero HF Deluxe is its fuel efficiency. With impressive mileage figures, it helps riders save money on fuel, perfect for long-term use in cities and rural areas alike. Comfort and features. Comfort is a key strength here. The bike offers a well-cushioned seat, upright riding posture, and decent suspension setup. It also includes basic features like electric start, in select variants, and alloy wheels for added convenience. Price and value. The Hero HF Deluxe is known for its affordability. It delivers great value for money, especially for students, daily commuters, and anyone looking for a low-maintenance bike. Conclusion. If you're looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly motorcycle, the Hero HF Deluxe is a solid choice. It may be simple, but it gets the job done with ease and reliability.